Wow, it's only Wednesday and I've already faced the same issue 4 times this week. It's getting quite frustrating and time consuming to address it every time it occurs. I really need to find a way to avoid it from happening again. If I could do that, I can concentrate more on the important things, save my time and energy.
Are you, your team, and your business facing similar problems that threaten your growth and revenue? PrevCORE has developed a course that aims to help individuals understand and prioritize their problems effectively. This course provides insights into finding the root causes of the problems and eliminating the constant struggle of fixing the same problems repeatedly. It educates individuals on how to monitor the situation and equip them with the ability to share information to empower their team. Here are just a few snippets from the course. Technology is constantly changing, and automation has changed the way we live our daily lives. For example, cruise control in vehicles has evolved into adaptive cruise control, and sensors and key performance indicators, commonly known as KPIs, have become important tools for monitoring and making real-time adjustments based on data. Just like a car's dashboard monitors key indicators like speed, fuel, and temperature, individuals, teams, and executives have their own dashboards for businesses, tracking sales, profit, and more. But why doesn't this dashboard mentality permeate through all levels of an organization? The answer lies in the difference between prevention and correction. Imagine driving without a dashboard.
Could you imagine driving your vehicle without a dashboard? How fast or slow are you going? When do I need to get fuel? When should I get my next oil change? If it was not important, why would manufacturers include the dashboard? Aren't they always looking to reduce costs?
It's not just about getting the job done, it's about making tomorrow better. Prevention is like having a navigator, monitoring key indicators to avoid traffic jams and choose the best route, while correction is akin to driving blindly, fixing problems as they arise. So how do you get started with prevention? It begins with investigation, collecting data, and determining the key performance indicators of your process. You become the leader of improvement, creating a dashboard that exhibits trends over time. Share it with your team. Listen to their suggestions, but remember, you are the coach making the final decision. Remember that trend analysis is an important part of prevention and becomes your ally. By putting data into a spreadsheet and generating line graphs, you can visualize whether you are getting better, worse, or staying the same over a period of time. It's a tool to show the overall trend of everything your team is doing, helping you manage for results. But as already mentioned, prevention is a process. And how do you structure this process? Enter flowcharting. Just as a navigator guides a family on a road trip, a flowchart provides a pictorial view of a process, ensuring a structured journey. Whether it's building a house or assembling a car, every efficient process begins with a flowchart. And last but not least, let's delve into understanding the root causes of problems with fishbone diagramming. Dr. Joseph Duran's journey from symptoms to cause teaches us the importance of analyzing problems systematically. The fishbone diagram pioneered by Dr. Ishikawa becomes a crucial tool for structuring brainstorming sessions, focusing on identifying underlying causes rather than just addressing the symptoms. In conclusion, these are some of the essential tools that can be used for process improvement with prevention over correction. By embracing these techniques and becoming a coach of improvement, you can successfully navigate, analyze, and improve your operations. Remember that change is constant, and there's no need to fear it. Don't run your operation blindly. Instead, equip yourself with the necessary tools and knowledge for a successful journey. It is the goal of PrevCORE to help you gain insight into your problems so you can align your challenges with the best available solution to achieve long-lasting results. You can find out more about these tools at PrevCORE by visiting www.utilizationmanagementuniversity.com. Check us out today.